What we're going to look at first of all under the settings is which of your assignments within the system accrue holiday. So if you click the cog on the right hand side next to any of your visit types, you'll see here in the settings area we've got an option for accrues holiday. If you've got assignments that don't accrue holiday, or you want to ensure that make sure that your forms don't accrue holiday, you need to click that cog and make sure that within the settings accrues holiday is unticked on there. And then once you've made any changes on here, go to the button here and click go to update your assignment type for that to save. Once we've done that, we need to then make sure that our carers have the correct holiday schemes within their profile. So if I go onto Laura's profile here, I'm going to add a scheme on her. So you click the carer's name and you go to this holiday tab. Okay, so you can see here, nothing showing for Laura at the moment. So I want this option here and I want to add a new holiday scheme to her. So I click that. My available options are a accruing holiday scheme. So that's the one that's based on the hours that they've worked, and a fixed scheme, and that's based on a fixed number of holidays for the year. So I want Laura to have an accruing holiday scheme, and that is going to start from the 1st of March on there. Do I want an end date on here? No, I just want this to run. So I will just click no, and then I want to add that scheme, and then we can see now that Laura, based on the payrolls that I've already run and locked within the system, she's currently got 1.39 days holiday, so 1.4 days holiday on here. So you can see that here. So that's her holiday available. She's got nothing booked and she's got nothing yet paid. If I go into James on here, now James is on a fixed scheme, and James has got some holiday booked. So we can see he's got 27 days available and he's got 1 holiday booked, and that day is booked for this week. So what I can do is, using this option here, I can pop a date in this box, and that will tell me how much each person will get paid if they take holiday on a particular date. So as the explanation says on here, it is an average. So if I pop the 16th in on there and I click calculate, it shows that James's day rate is £71.38. So we click this question mark, how was this calculated? So we can see here, and it's got the explanation here, what this is based on, what the rate is.